Solve for the variable. 2 cosine of x quantity squared equals uno. If you would, please get down to a line that says cosine of x equals. Ding! All right, so how'd you do it? Equals 1. All right, someone else, the next step? Divide by 4, cosine squared of x equals 1/4. Good. What could possibly go wrong? Last step. And what do you get? Plus or minus 1/2 after square rooting both sides. Remember, when square rooting an equation, be sure to include a plus or a minus. If you do not include a plus or a minus, bad things will happen. Like Snooki will have a baby. All right, we have 2 sets of equations. We have the cosine of x equals 1/2. So welcome to the last day of the rest of your life. And the cosine of x equals negative 1/2. For what values of x on the unit circle is the cosine of x 1/2? Sure, where else? Yeah, 300 degrees. So you're going to love this portion of the test. You will be doing it blindfolded, which means you won't be able to look at a unit circle. Cosine of x is negative 1/2. Cosine of x is negative 1/2. What values of x? (120 degrees). And someone else? 240 degrees. So it would appear that we need 4 lists here. We don't actually need 4 lists because notice that 60 is directly across from 240 by 180 degrees. And 300 is directly across from 120 by 180 degrees. So here's 60, here's 240, here's 120, here's 300. So because of that, instead of 4 lists, we would just need 2. Typically, when we write it, the angle that we use is the smaller value. So comparing the 60 and 240, we would start at 60. And then I want to now say plus any multiple of 180, so how would I write that? Plus k times 180. Good, and someone else? What's the next one? Well, let's do the other part, but yeah, we'll add that. No, you're fine. Yep, 120 plus k times 180. And then don't forget k is an integer. But again, if they said x is a number between 0 and 360, you would only list these 4 values, 60, 300, 120, and 240. Also, your answers can be in terms of radians or degrees. It does not matter. So instead of k times 180 over there, you would say k times pi. But k would still be an integer.